Climate change and human health ki state action plan ngasi hono bi matung ina release toukhre. Ngasi Hotel Imphal ki sangai holda pangthoki ba state action plan release tawbagi thoramadu da Health and Family Welfare ki Special Secretary Hungyo Warsang, National Health Mission ki State Mission Director Dr. Somorjit Ningombam, Health Services ki Director Dr. Osana Hanbi, Family Welfare Services ki Director Dr. L. Tomsa Kuman su sarugyaki. National Program on Climate Change and Human Health National Health Mission amasung Directorate of Health Services na punna kusam na dun sin kiba thoramadu Health and Family Welfare gi Special Secretary Hungyo Warsang na phongdoki bada hojik malim gi oina mahusa gi phibam da honglakli ba sing ase climate change ki asoba khudam amani ahong basina maram oiduna medical gi lamda yamna sakholabasu layong khangdaba laina kaya ama mayokna leptri sei khara gi mamangda thokiba COVID-19 su climate change asina maram origa thorakpani haibada na thainingai leiroi ngasi aikoina thengnariba climate change asi ngakthongnaba thabak paikhat haudrabadi tungda lakadoriba mirol singda hena awaba mayoknagani haina phongdokhi
disease sing se bari kya increase doctor ba khangde flood kana lakani drought dona lakani last year Manipur no chuba under the summer summer kre spring later autumn later khara phangi ko na future ready no bai ana matam kana si yamna state action plan for climate change it's all related food agriculture, healthcare is related. When 50 years progress, let's say, vulnerability is it's going to be a big challenge for everyone. When we have to fight. Henna person fight out the my impacts. Henna let's fight out the climate change impacts in the child. This is something that we have to continue fighting.